Let's take a look at selling a new maintenance plan from the office. The best way to sell a plan to a customer when you need to collect payment is on an invoice. I'm on my customer's account, and we'll select the last quick action to create a new job form and select Invoice Only. If you'd like to be extra detailed for service history, you can name this job Maintenance Plan Sign Up. To begin, recommend a maintenance plan and select the desired plan. And confirm the total before saving to the invoice. Click Sign Up Now to begin the enrollment process. You'll notice the same sign-up modal pops up as seen on the customer page. Confirm the date and annual price before moving to verify and edit your service windows if needed. Remember that you can change months and job names. Advance to the next step to view reminder information before moving to the last step for payment. If you're collecting the total up front, leave this selection as On Invoice and click Done. If you're choosing a payment plan, select the plan option and fill in the appropriate information. Remember that you can choose to set up a monthly, quarterly, or annual payment plan. Click Done. Make edits if needed, then scroll to the bottom to take payment or send the invoice to your customer so they can pay online via the interactive invoice.